Hi there, John Cursor here, Remax Realtron. Just want to let you see the new listing that we have coming on the market tomorrow. It's on 1 acre. It's a 3+1 raised bungalow. It has a heated workshop. You can see the attached garage here. It has garage access, and then there's a separate garage here to the one side, and behind is a nice heated workshop. That is so this is for the hobbyist, the person that just loves a country property. You can see just surrounded by farm fields, and as I said, it's on 1 acre. So it is you have carpets that you want to replace, but put down a nice hardwood floor. Downstairs, actually, there is a renovated 3-piece bathroom with heated flooring, so you can see it definitely is a good sized property here. So just showing you here. Behind me, you can see that's the garage I just walked up to. And let me just show you. Here is the heated workshop just at the back. So you're at 125 feet frontage, and then 349 for the depth. So on an acre, just outside of Little Britain, about 15 minutes from Lindsay. And yeah, here's the heated workshop. I'm just walking down to show you. So it'll be listed at $799. DM me or give me a call at 705-618-8980, and glad to arrange a showing for you. All right, any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me as well. All right, and my email, I want to mention that as well. It's john@calljohnnow.com. All right, thanks so much. Bye.